Hey guys, welcome back to my coding journey. This is day 2, and yesterday I couldn't study because I was a little busy, but that's okay. I'm learning coding for myself at my own pace, so even if I learn a little every day, that still counts. So today I'm going to share that what I understood in very simple level, in very simplest way. Not like a teacher, but just like a beginner who is figuring things out. So, yeah, let's start. The very first thing which I studied is what is program. So, a program is basically a set of instructions which we give to computer. Like in real life, if I tell someone that how to make tea, firstly boil water, add tea leaves, add milk, add sugar. This is small recipe, and in the same way for a computer, this small recipe becomes a program. And next, what is programming? So a programming is the process of writing those instructions. मतलब ये एक प्रोसेस होता है उन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को लिखने का, उसे प्रोग्रामिंग बोलते हैं. And so yeah, programming is just like breaking the problems in small steps and then writing them into a certain language so that a computer can understand. So coding isn't magic, it's just logic written clearly. That's it. And next मैंने पढ़ा कि genesis of Java. Genesis means origin of Java. जावा क्यों इन्वेंट किया गया और किसने इन्वेंट किया, ये सब मैंने पढ़ा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. देन Java was created because earlier the languages like C or C++, they were very complex. They have memory issues, they have security issues and many kind of issues. So yeah, at that time, devices like TVs and home appliances were becoming smarter. And that's why the companies wanted a programming language जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिक्योर हो, सेफ हो एंड ईजी हो और ऐसा हो कि मतलब हर एक डिवाइसेस में रन कर पाए. उन्हें ऐसा एक लैंग्वेज चाहिए था. सो दैट वाज द रीज़न वाई जावा वाज क्रिएटेड. नेक्स्ट, हिस्ट्री ऑफ जावा. सो जावा वाज डेवलप्ड बाय जेम्स गोसलिन. ही इज़ नोन एज द फादर ऑफ जावा, जेम्स गोसलिन. एंड जावा बेसिकली क्या है? सो जावा एक सिंपल, सिक्योर, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड और प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट मीन्स राइट वन एंड रन एनीवेयर. सो यही फीचर जो है ये मुझे सबसे कूलेस्ट फीचर लगता है जावा का. सो दैट्स इट. एंड हाँ, and I also saw that how basic Java program looks like. That class name and all those things, that structure. उसे मैं यहाँ स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूँगी, आप देख लीजिएगा. तो yeah, that's what I learned. I know it's basic, but for me, every small steps counts. It matters for me. And if you are learning something, remember, slow progress is also a progress. So yeah, see you in the next video in the day 3. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड राधे राधे.